Video, I'm going to show you how to connect Terabox to your Telegram bot. It's really easy to do. But without further ado, the first thing that we want to do is this works on iPhone and Android. So you just want to go over to your Telegram account. Just open up the app like so. Click on in the top right hand corner. Click on where it says create a message. Once doing that, you just click on the new group option and you actually just want to type in connect Terabot, and there's no spaces. You just type in it in like so, and as you can see there's two options that come up, and from here what we want to do is we just want to click on this connect to Terabot, click on the next option, and then you just want to click on the create to this group. Now doing so, it will basically start this messaging system. Just type in the /start option, and this will basically start the connecting process to Telegram and Terabox. Once you've done that, you just want to type in /available bots. It will come up like so, and it will actually give you these ads that you've clicked on. You can actually start a conversation with them, and it will start connecting them to your Telegram and Telebot panel. And if we go back to the messaging system like so, you can actually see that these are now have been created. And if we just click on this once again, once you've done that, all you need to do is you type in the messaging system and you just type in /connect, and you can see it gets all these pop-ups of the things that it suggests you can do. But you just type in /connect and it will basically send these links with the final steps to connect your Terabox account to your Telegram account. And then from here, all you need to do to actually do the final steps of connecting this is you copy this link, put it in your local web browser, and you actually just want to sign in to your Terabox account right here. Where from here, all you need to do is you just log into your Terabox account. You can either sign up with Facebook, Google. It may take a few seconds to load, or you can sign up completely from scratch. Once you've actually logged in, you just want to go over, scroll to the side, and you actually just want to, and once you log in, you actually want to go over to the side. You can pick one of these three programs: paid content, video plays, or new users, to earn money. And then from here, it'll take you to this website like so, once you've actually passed that page. And from here, you just click on the top left-hand corner, click on where your profile photo is, click on Program Overview. And then once you've actually passed that page, all you want to do is you just want to scroll down and click on the Share My Invitation link. Where from here, you just want to go back to your Telegram page. And you just want to type in /connect, where you just paste your link that you've just copied right here. And as you can see, when you send that, it will actually successfully allow you to link your Terabox account